In this video, I'm gonna show you the best settings to fix FPS drops, lags, and stutters in Battlefield 6. So first, you'll go to settings, and then here you'll go to graphics. So what you'll do here is find the game over here, and then you will basically set to high performance. After setting it to high performance, want to make sure this is turned on and this one is turned on. Then go to gamepad, game mode settings, and turn this option on. Next, you want to close this down and then go to Steam. So here you'll find the game. You'll go to the game and just go to the game folder. So go to manage and then browse local files. So you'll find the Battlefield 6.exe, then right click on it, properties, and then under compatibility, make sure you disable full screen, then apply and then OK. And once you do this, restart your computer and you should be good.